Let's look at the same poem, but this time on your whiteboard, you are going to identify what type of figurative language is highlighted in blue. So we have towering trees are an umbrella. Cool shade is a tall glass of lemonade. We are happiness. What type of figurative language is this? If your answer is metaphor, you are correct. We are saying one thing is the other, or are, because the word are is plural for the word is. So we can either say one thing is another, or these are something else. On this slide, you are going to answer, what does the metaphor towering trees are an umbrella mean? And then what does the metaphor cool shade is a tall glass of lemonade mean? After you are done with this, please make sure you turn it in, and then you are going to move on to your read aloud.